It's recording. Oh, let's get closer. Okay.
So you have to do the front to the back, otherwise the back should be to the front as well as before and behind. So you put it in here like so. This is really tedious. Just a big piece of tape in there. Pop it back out. A little bit of glue. And here. Whoa. Then later on, you nail them together.
Oh, voila. Enchanté. Is that it?
That's it.
Wunderbar. That's quick.